Hi guys, today I will show you concrete slab work. You can see for the garage opening, they turn down the concrete here. Yes, you can see anchor walls for garage, and they pour concrete, turn down, so make sure you have positive fall. Yeah, all the way. You can see control joint like 10 times 10. It's wet with the curing. That's the interior manhole here. You can see socket. Yeah. Yeah, control joint, plumbing in the back corner, steel structure here on site. Plumbing here, 1.5 and 4 inches. Good concrete work, flat and level, control joint. Yeah.